Last year I monetized my gaming channel in just 21 days, and this year TubeVenture passed 1000 subscribers only 40 days after my first upload, but this time with way less videos. And obviously this is not the fastest 1000 subs on YouTube. However, regardless of your niche, everything I did can be applied to every single channel on YouTube, including yours. So try to pay very close attention, because I'm about to share my very simple yet very effective strategy step by step to grow your YouTube channel in 2023. Let's dive in. I don't care what anyone says, the first step in growing your YouTube channel is choosing your niche and identifying your target audience. Some YouTube experts might tell you to just start creating and then you can decide your niche later down on the road. However, this is not true. At least not anymore. A lot of creators did that back in the day, but in 2023, YouTube is more competitive than ever, so you have to be very clear about your niche before you start making videos. And it is essential to select a niche that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. If you genuinely enjoy talking about your niche, first, your channel will grow, and second, you will avoid burnout. Additionally, having valuable insights and knowledge to share is quite crucial, as it provides value to your viewers. YouTube is not my only passion. I love playing chess, but at best, I'm just an average player, so why would I make any videos about chess if I cannot provide my viewers value? Once you've determined your niche, it is also important to ensure there is an audience and demand for your content. After all, without viewers, your channel cannot grow. In my case, the YouTube education niche ticked all the boxes for me. However, I faced a significant challenge. Why would anyone watch a channel with 0 views and 0 subscribers and take YouTube advice? To overcome this, I needed a killer first video idea that would establish as some sort of an authority. And that's when I came up with the idea of creating a video where I explain how I monetize my gaming channel really fast. But even though I believe idea is the key to grow a YouTube channel, the title of the video was as important: How I Monetize My Small YouTube Channel in 21 Days. If I would publish the same exact video with a generic title, How to Monetize a Small YouTube Channel Really Fast, you wouldn't be watching this video at the moment, because TubeVenture, this channel, wouldn't have passed 1000 subscribers. Because by saying how I monetized, I am telling the audience that this video includes a personal experience and achievement, and saying 21 days rather than just very fast or extremely fast is very specific, and it creates a sense of trust. Man, this video is starting to become how to title your YouTube videos. I have a separate video for that. So after gaining some initial traction with my first video, I made a huge mistake. Assuming that certain topics such as writing better titles and increasing your AdSense revenue would perform really well, because those two did help me a lot with my own YouTube journey. But of course that wasn't the case. These videos didn't generate many views because the target audience wasn't yet monetized, so why would they care about increasing their AdSense revenue when you literally make $0 from AdSense because you are not in the partner program already? But learning from my initial experiences, I shifted my approach and started researching what my target audience actually want to watch. This led to creating videos such as YouTube Shorts algorithm, best fastest channel niches to grow on YouTube, and making money with YouTube Shorts combined with AI. These videos performed much better, accumulating a total of 50k views and many subscribers. And soon I will make a video about how to come up with killer video ideas to grow your YouTube channel. If that's something you are interested to watch, you know what to do. But to simply put, study your competitors, analyze YouTube recommendation system with an incognito tab, and make sure to utilize Google Trends to decide the idea of your next video. But even though those videos were much more successful compared to second and third one, publishing high quality videos with good topics is only a part of your growing your YouTube channel. After you hit publish, there are 3 essential metrics to monitor: click-through rate, retention rate, and impressions. Impressions metric in particular is crucial because it indicates whether your video is reaching a wider audience. While reaching a broader audience may cause a drop in CTR, it's a positive sign that your video is being recommended to new viewers by the algorithm. A quick story time. Picture this. You have an amazing product to sell, and first you start by visiting your friends and family. They are interested and eager to hear what you have to say about your product. They are like your subscribers. Next, you venture out into your neighborhood where some people will recognize you. They still pay attention, though not as much as your close circle. And this is just like your existing audience who previously watched 1 or 2 of your videos, but they're not subscribed yet. But then you take a leap and go to places you have never been before, where people have no clue who you are or what you are selling. Only a few individuals among them will give you their time and listen to your product pitch. And this group of people represents the new audience you are reaching on YouTube. And as you reach out to this wider audience, naturally your click-through rate and average view duration will decrease. It's like meeting strangers who may not as interested or invested as your friends and family. As you expand your reach, the level of attention and interest naturally declines. So what's really important when it comes to your CTR and average view duration is the initial stage you publish your video. This could be a few days or a few hours depending on your channel size. If your initial CTR is lower compared to your other videos, consider switching your thumbnails and titles. And my recommendation is always have one backup thumbnail and 2 alternative titles. Ideally, you obviously want more alternatives, but at the start, that is, I think, pretty good. Aside from optimizing metrics, engaging with your audience is vital. I personally do my best to reply every comment on my videos, not to just increase the engagement, but because I'm genuinely passionate about discussing anything related to YouTube, sharing my knowledge, and also learning from my viewers. And of course, replying to comments shows sincerity and care, making it easier for people to subscribe your YouTube channel. Let's do a challenge. I will reply to every single comment in this video. Drop your questions below. So in my journey, it took 6 videos and 42 days for TubeVenture to reach its first milestone, 1000 subscribers. Looking back, I believe uploading 2 videos per week instead of 1 would have been even better, as it provides more content for my audience to enjoy and increase my total watch session, which is quite important when it comes to YouTube recommending your content. Additionally, I will try to build a presence on platforms like Reddit and Twitter long before starting my channel. That could have helped me establish a name, a reputation, and a little bit of an authority. Alright, wait a second, because we forgot one very crucial thing. The thing I want to quickly discuss is end screens. The reason why it is so important is that YouTube do care about how much time people spend on the platform by watching your videos in total. And the best way to increase that is successfully directing your viewers to another video of yours with the end screens. If you just end your video like goodbye and just throw a random video on the end screen, I can guarantee you that almost no one will click on it. But if you select the video that matches with the current one and briefly explain your viewer why should they watch this video, what is the value in that video, you will drastically increase the chances of people clicking on the video in the end screen. And remember, viewers who reach to your end screen are extremely valuable to you. You are extremely valuable to me, because since you are here, you found the video helpful, useful, or valuable. And of course, I will take a few minutes to plan the end of my video, find the best matching video that will provide you a lot of value, and briefly explain why you should click on it, because besides making one viewer watching multiple videos of yours, so the likeliness for them to hit subscribe is always increases, this also contributes to your 4,000 hours of watch time. And if you're watching this video, you are most likely also interested to hear how to reach 4,000 hours of watch time fast. And that's why, if you're interested in learning more about how I reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time with my gaming channel in just 21 days, make sure to tap on it, and I see you there.